Hello there, my name is Lisa. I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club, and today I have the Pumpkin Cupcakes September unboxing video for you. So here it is, the September kit. I'm really excited about this one. I always say that though, don't I? I think because so much thought goes into these kits, I really do feel excited and I can never wait to share them with everyone. So this is Pumpkin Cupcakes. I wanted a really warm, cozy autumnal feel, but not necessarily Halloween or the stereotypical fall feel then, if that makes sense, but something that everyone can enjoy, whether or not you are a pumpkin fanatic or anything like that. I wanted everyone to love this kit as much as I do. This is my favorite time of year. I do love pumpkin cupcakes. As you may know, if you follow me already, I don't necessarily have a sweet tooth, but pumpkin really does hit my spot. Love it. So always start off the kits with a little postcard there on the front. Some people turn these into dashboards. I know a lot of you have a collection now of the postcards, which I love. I've seen photos of them on your walls. There's always a letter at the front if you aren't familiar with the kits, and I love to colour coordinate everything. That's my thing. I just love it. I love colour combos, and one of my favourite things about designing the kits are working on the colour combos. Right, let's open this up. I usually have a handwritten tag in the front there, but as this is my own sample, I haven't popped one in there. Got the confetti in there to match. Let's open these. I always design them as well with the idea that the majority of the packaging you can use. Trying to keep them as green friendly as possible. So use the boxes, use the tissue paper, use the paper bags, use the tags that I use for packaging. Try and use up as much as you can. Call it a challenge. Every kit there is a DIY kit. I like to try and keep as much or quite a few of the bits and pieces a surprise for you, as I know for many of you the surprise element is really important. So when I do my unboxings, I don't open everything. The team will be being sent their kits tomorrow, and so towards the end of the week, the weekend, you might start seeing other unboxings. So if you're wanting to have a better look of exactly what's inside, look out for the team. I will link up their links below for their YouTube channels. A couple of them do unboxings. We've got a handmade clip here. Andy from Andy's Accessories makes all my little felties. She is so clever. So that's your planner clip there. Love that. We've got a mystery gift, which obviously right now will remain a mystery. We've got a treat bag. You've got surprises in there. I know for many of you, you love these little bags the best. Stickers and just various bits and pieces. I try and change it up for you so you have surprises every month. We've got an exclusive stamp. Actually, it's a two-piece set this month. So these are individual stamps that you can use, designed and made for me by Emily from Skull and Crossbones. I do love her stamps. They are amazing quality. That leads me nicely on to Happy Scatter. Let's do the stencil first. These are created by Jennifer from Happy Scatter. This month we've got a stencil. This is a leaf stencil. I am a huge fan of stencils. And she's also got stickers in the treats bag for you. And let's just open the die cut. I have to say the die cuts are my favourite part of the kit. I love using die cuts. I just love bits and pieces on my scrapbooking, journaling, in my planners. What's your favourite part of the kits? Please leave me a comment below and tell me. I would love to know. These are so cute, and I love the quality of Jennifer's die cuts. They are so good. They've just got, whoops, such a nice feel to them. There's loads in this little bag, as you can see. Got hearts. There's today. Great for journaling and just embellishments. Embellishing those pages. Aren't they cute? So that's a quick look at those. I'll pop those back to one side. Then we've got stickers from Blossom Nose Co. Aren't these adorable? Formerly known as Beautiful Planning by Natasha. I love her stickers. They are so cute and they match so perfectly. Really happy with those. We've got a cola flavoured lolly. Love those fizzy lollies. And then in the bottom we have the exclusive papers. There is a code in the treats bag for you, and you will be able to download all the printables for free. We've got an embellishment postcard. We have a weekly planning list. I include a few of those. We've got calendars and various bits and pieces. This month I am adding additional printables for everybody. You will receive 2 copies of these each. This is something extra that I'm including this month. We've got a What's for Dinner, we've got a This Week, and we've got a cleaning schedule. Like I said, you will all receive 2 of these each and the code to download for free, so you can print them off and use them as many times as you wish. I think once the summer, for me personally, summer's out the way, kids are back to school, I need to get organised. We didn't fully go back to school until Monday, and it really hit me, and I started cleaning and organising. It feels so great. I've been longing to get back into routine. So these are helping me. I hope they will help you. That's the kit. I hope you will enjoy it. Please leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like the collar combos that I picked. Tell me what's your favourite part of the kit. I would love to know. Anything else as well, if there's anything that I've never included in the kits or I haven't included for a while. I think it's about time we included a bit of flair actually. It's been a little while. Leave me a comment. I always love to know, and I have made changes before based on feedback from you guys. So it's always worth mentioning something. I would always love to know. You are the ones that buy the kits and use the kits. So any little suggestions, ideas, feedback, please do let me know. I always love to hear what you think. Thank you so much for watching. The links are below to buy this kit. They are being packed at the end of this week, ready to send out on Monday. That's Monday the 17th, I believe. I think that's right. Anyway, Monday, they're being sent out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.